Hey guys, it's Tara with Teaching on Lemon Lane. I wanted to do one more video and share with you kind of what my thoughts are with having your students do this digital vote, or how to kind of poll your students to figure out who they vote for of having the ugliest sweater. So what you'd want to do is you're going to want to zoom in on these instructions. You can zoom in even more. I just wanted to get them out there. So what you're going to be doing is creating a collaborative presentation or slide. When you do a collaborative presentation, that's when you share the same link with each of your students. That way everyone is working on the same slideshow. Now they're a lot of fun because students can all kind of see the same thing, they can interact with each other. The only thing with that though is that I like to do a kind of an etiquette that you need to go over before you let students into a collaborative slide presentation. So that's what this slide is here. They'll simply initial that they will follow the rules. What you're going to do is you're going to make just another copy of the slideshow, and you can do that by clicking on one. So I've got this one right here that says Let's Party, your collaborative slides. You can come up here, File, make a copy, and we'll just do your selected slides. And so we would click OK. So here it's going to make a copy. And now what you would do is you're going to go ahead and add pages for each student to add a copy of their sweater to. So what I would come down here and I would do a new slide. I would make it blank. And then I'm going to go ahead and just keep adding new slides until I have enough for each student to add their sweater on top of it. So I'm going to go back to our original where the student slide is. We'll pretend that this is mine. And what you would do is you're going to make sure that students have deleted everything that is surrounding their slide. So you don't want any of those steps. If you do keep all of those, it's going to really slow down your presentation and make it hard to work with. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight everything and copy it. Then I'm going to go into our collaboration slide or collaborative slide, and I'm going to paste it there. And so each student is going to paste their sweater, and that way you have a fun way of seeing everybody's work that they've completed. Okay, so we're going to pretend that we've had our 3 students copy and paste their sweater designs into this collaborative slide presentation. And the next thing that we need to do is we need to vote on who created the ugliest sweater. It's so ugly, it's good. What I suggest for using with that is to go to Poll Everywhere. They have a free edition for teachers, and you can use it for up to 40 students. So I've already started one, but we're going to go ahead and do a new one. So you come here to create. We're going to do multiple choice, and we're going to do ugliest sweater. And now what I suggest you do is you're going to create an option for however many slides you have. So right now I have 3 of them, and so we're going to come over here and we will add options. So again, you're going to want one option for every slide per student. And the way that I would distinguish that is we've got this one right here, and you'll notice that it has slide number 2. This one right here is slide number 3, and this slide right here is slide number 4. So what I would do is I would go ahead and add in 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth, so students know which number it is that they are voting for. So once you've created an option for every one of your slides, you're going to go ahead and hit create, and it's going to create this poll for us. And what you would do is you would share this with your students, and they go ahead and we're going to activate it. And then from there, students can vote on which one. So there's a couple ways that students can vote, or you can poll them. You can either use their cell phone and they log in using this, which I've gone ahead and do that, or you can just share this link and that'll allow them to vote as well. I'm going to go ahead and show you. I think it should show us in real time. So I'll vote for B, and we'll see if that'll come through. There it is. And so you'll be able to get this live feed of what students are voting for. So once you know who the winner is, you can edit this fun little certificate. Students will also be creating their own little trophy or ribbon. And what's cool about that is that they can go in and add it to your collaborative slide and award it to that person.